In this video I'm going to show you a range of methods for grinding, from using high-speed grinders to slower water-cooled grinders, and also a method with no machines. When do you need to grind? If the blade is chipped, or when you've sharpened it a few times and the sharpening becomes too time consuming. Getting back to a primary bevel is also recommended, either with new or old blades that have been backed off. I'll show you how to grind straight chisels and cambered plane blades. I'll also show you how to set up and maintain grinders and how to use tool rests and jigs. I have a separate video on sharpening because it's such a large subject area, but it's important to understand that sharpening and grinding go hand in hand. We will normally grind and then follow on by sharpening to refine and achieve that perfect edge. Just like sharpening, grinding is a key skill that you need to master. Getting it wrong can take the temper out of your tools. Getting it right sets you up for easy sharpening and enjoyable woodworking.